Hi everyone, and welcome to Preloved Chica on YouTube. But I'm not going to be on YouTube only. I've actually got my own radio show. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do a quick little video today to promote the Preloved Chica time capsule show on Ipswich Community Radio. Now, you can find it by tuning your dial to 105.7 FM. But if you're not in the area, you can watch it on the internet. So you just go to ICRFM.com and you can listen live. It's tomorrow, it's Wednesday, it's every Wednesday between 1 and 2. And that's GMT. So if you're outside of the UK, you'll have to check, what time that is for you. But I'm excited about this because it's going to be called the Time Capsule Show, and it's about people coming in, talking about their musical choices, why they've chosen those tracks, why they're important to them. And there will also be a little slot about pre-loved clothes, where to buy clothes, how to care for your clothes, and all kinds of other good things. So that's my very first ever show tomorrow. Getting very excited about that. Bit concerned because unlike this, where I just press record, there's a whole deck with sliders for microphones, for CDs, for laptops. So wish me luck. Go eat it. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to say, I wanted to whet your appetite about, so don't forget to subscribe, come back, is that I'm working in collaboration with Sherry, who's a lovely refashionista, and she's my soulmate, actually my soul buddy. She's in Canada. And what we're going to do, coming up very soon, we're going to do a YouTube video together. She's already sent to me this incredible box of goodies. Ooh, it's upside down. Full of clothes. Okay. I'm not going to unbox this, until she gets my parcel. So I've sent her some clothes and we're going to do a full unboxing video together. So that's going to be exciting because she's brilliant at refashioning clothes. And if you haven't checked out her YouTube site, go check it out. It's one of my featured channels, so you'll see it on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. Anyway, so that's all for now, but I just wanted to say I'm excited. I'm excited about all kinds of things, not least my radio show, but my future videos I've got planned for 2018. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today. Until next time, bye for now.
Preloved Chica, passion for fashion.